So start by making sure that you're seated comfortably. Close your eyes. Slow your breathing down. And just become aware of your breath. Notice how your body moves as it's breathing in and breathing out again. Sometimes you'll notice that your mind might start resisting even such a simple act as becoming aware of your breath. Your mind starts getting frustrated, wondering if there is more to meditation, asking questions, thinking that I've tried this many times before, it doesn't work. And it's precisely this inner voice that we have become a slave to. And when we do simple meditation, what we're trying to do is we're not trying to follow that inner voice. And sometimes that's really hard to do because we think that we are that voice. That voice and us are exactly the same thing. But when we bring our attention to other things, to our breath, to our ability to be aware, we can decide not to always listen to that inner voice. So this is what we're practicing here. Practicing moving our attention away from always listening to the first thought that comes into our minds. Try and see if there is a peacefulness within you. Sometimes when we try these meditations, it may feel like we're waiting for something to happen. We're waiting for some magic experience. But the real magic is in the quietness and the stillness. And the more that you practice, the more you'll realize that there is a real joy and love and tranquility right there when you let go of trying and you simply enjoy the quiet peacefulness that's already there. Notice if there is any love in your heart right now. Not love for a particular person or anything else, but just can you know lovingness in your being right now? And that is a compassion, a peacefulness, a kindness for yourself, a kindness for everything else. Where does that love come from? See if you can be in love, not in love with something or someone, but just be in the feeling of love. When you're not in love with something, but you are just in love, you will notice that that love doesn't just stop with you, but it is an emotion that feels like it wants to spread everywhere, like the sun that wants to shine on everything. The love within us wants to shine and be spread and touch everything and everyone, because it is only that experience of love. It is not muddied by anything else. It's not clouded by anything else. Love for the sake of love, not for the sake of anything in particular, not for you or for anyone else, but love for the sake of love. You'll notice that there's a real freedom in love, a joyfulness, an expansiveness, and your heart will know what it feels like to be full and overfull, pouring out with loving kindness. Notice if you can bring yourself to smile. Not smiling for any reason, but just smiling because that is love expressing itself freely. You will notice that this love is not coming from your mind. It is coming from something deeper, from your core, from your heart. It is beyond you. It is greater than you. Bring your awareness back to your breathing. Notice how your breath is so vital to fill life-giving energy into your body, into your arms and your legs, your shoulders and your back. And when you're ready, bring yourself back and open your eyes.